Michael Cain
It's really quiet, yeah.
wasn't in the market for an electric truck specifically, but
This particular one, with the federal and the state tax credit, it was essentially $12,500 off.
the dealership took the $7,500 in federal tax credits for his new Ford Lightning.
Do you want to see the frunk?
They told him to claim the other $5,000 in his state income tax return this year. So he did, then got a letter in the mail.
Department of Revenue has adjusted your 2024 individual income tax return. Credit amount as filed, $5,000. New amount, $0.
The problem, the Department of Revenue is essentially fat-shaming Michael's truck, saying it's too heavy to qualify for the credit.
So how big is your truck?
It's 8,550 pounds.
On the form Michael filled out with his taxes, the instructions specifically say a light-duty electric truck can weigh between 8,501 and 10,000 pounds and qualify for a $5,000 credit. Michael checked light-duty truck and filled in the weight at 8,550. Michael figured it was a mistake and called the state tax hotline.
I went through the same menu at least 4 times. Then I got put into a hold queue. I was on hold for 20 minutes. And then I got an automated message saying, essentially, we're too busy, call again later.
Then he did some more research.
Because I was looking online for anybody that had an answer, and I saw your article from last year where there was a glitch on lease terms or something.
Last spring, after reporting from Steve on Your Side, the Department of Revenue admitted there was a coding error in their tax system, causing automatic denials of people who qualified for the EV tax credit. We later found through a records request that the state's solution for that problem was to reprogram the system. Then if an auto denial happened again, let the taxpayer protest. Those same records included an email from a Department of Revenue staffer about the tax hotline. Quote, "We all know you can't get through because of the hold time," she wrote. The Department of Revenue didn't answer when we asked if Michael's credit was denied in error too, only gave instructions on how to file a protest.
So you have to submit the form online to just, the interweb, I guess. You can fax, or you can mail in the form. I mean, does anybody even have a fax machine?
You should send them a fax. Right. I don't even know how to do that anymore.
I don't know either.
Does this feel like something that you should have to go through all the process to file a protest and figure out where to find a fax machine? Does it feel like you should have to do that, or if the state realizes they have an error, that they should just fix this for you and get it done?
Yeah, I think they would fix it, but I don't trust them to do that, right? Like, they can't read their own instructions or their form.